CSS borders and rounded corners. The CSS border properties allow you to specify the style, width, and color of an element's border. Borders on all sides, bottom border, rounded borders, or left or right borders. CSS border style specify what kind of border to display. The following values are allowed: dot, dashed, solid, double, group, rich, inset, offset, none, or hidden. The border style property can have from 1 to 4 values for the top, right, bottom, and the left border. Here are the examples of the different borders. CSS Rounded Corners. With the CSS border radius property, you can give a new element rounded corners. Here are 3 examples. Rounded corners for an element with a specified background color. Here is the example and the style code. Second, rounded corners for an element with a border. Third, rounded corners for an element with a background image. CSS border radius specify each corner. The border radius property can have from 1 to 4 values, and here are the rules. The first value applies to top left corner. The second value applies to top right corner. The third to bottom right corner, and fourth value applies to bottom left corner. In case you have 3 values, the first applies to top left corner, the second to top right and bottom left corner, and the third to bottom right corner. And if you put only 2 values, the first applies to top left and bottom right corners, and the second to top right and bottom left corner. And if you put 1 value, applies to all 4 corners, which are rounded equally.